Baby, open it like this. Okay. Alright, baby, go ahead. Open your present. Happy birthday, Maxim. Come this way so you can see his face. Come on, baby. Rip it open. What's that? Okay, don't be so anal with the paper. Okay. Gonna open it.
What is that, Maxim?
What is that? What is that? What is this? Huh? Do you recognize it? Put it together. What's that? What is this? What is this? Huh? Are you sure? Huh? Hey, what's this? What's that? Look at it. He's more upset with it. Maxim, what's that? Very cool, huh? You're more excited when you see it than Kiko. Okay, turn around. Okay, show mommy how fast you can go.